Alright, so now we're going to install Node-RED. Node-RED's kind of fussy, so I had to do it ahead of time, and it looks like this. Okay, Node-RED is kind of like these little nodes, and you can pull them out and make cool things happen. Okay, so this is how you install it. You go to add-ons, you go to add, and you look for Node-RED. Okay, so then you go to configuration, and in the thing called credential secret, you type in a password that only you know. Okay, type in that password. Okay, then come back. Okay, then hit start. When you open UI, web UI, it will fail. It'll go to 502 usually. Okay, that's okay. Now, after it goes to 502, then go ahead and click on Node-RED, and it should be good to go. If it fails somehow, which it shouldn't, just go to Settings, System, Restart, log back in, and then go ahead and hit Node-RED. If it asks you something like, it's not running, blah blah blah, just click and hit start, then click on Node-RED. Keep repeating that, it'll pop. Okay. What it's doing is it's getting it has to write this file and then also check it. So it's kind of fussy in the fact that it's getting to write that file and then check it. But you should then be able to click on it and it pops just like that. And what is Node-RED? Node-RED, again, is the ability to take all your sensors, and then you can use the sensor data in other areas and cause things to happen. For me, I use Node-RED as an intercommunication device for my speaker systems. So let's say I wanted to page somebody in another room. I can make it so Node-RED has a voice over chat or text to chat, and I can type in something and it'll actually go to the speaker and say that thing in a tawdry British accent, of course. So we'll do cool things like that. Again, we're just getting started and getting all the things that we need. So that is Node-RED. Let's go to the next video.